So friends, last video in I'm discuss this backup and restore and three type backup, and I'm already create autoplay backup and restore and administrator tools video. So watch my in control panel playlist and all of my video part wise, not start directly. Watch one by one my part wise, and this is a very important for you. So I'm just showing you detail with knowledge and practical. So we are talk about all of control panel options. So today we are discuss about BitLocker drive and encryption. So why using a why using BitLocker technology and encryption. So this is very important for your computer, important your security, and so this is working only for hard disks and partitions. So how can we create a partition? i'm already I'm already talk about this. Watch my computer management. Let's start. So what is a BitLocker drive encryption? What is using BitLocker drive encryption systems here? So you can see this type BitLocker drive encryption and the logo here, and this work only for hard disks. And this is a why using a system. This is a common data and private data with your important computer data, important your files, important your company files data. So you open it already here. So this is a lock drive here. Lock drive here means your BitLocker is one type of lock your computer lock, not not computer lock your partitions only. So this is a safe of your computer, and this is a very important for your systems here. So you unlock your password. So by password, so this type showing here, this type lock unlock here. So this is a very important lock partition drive only hard, not hard disk. So drive minute means your partitions only. So not you lock your partition C. This is very important. So you can see just here this my computer you can see here, and this is very important for my computer lock, and this is my partition logo here. So how can we create partition? I'm already talk about computer management. Watch my video computer management in series here, and I will discuss in next time some video tips and tricks how can we create a partition. You can just here miss my partition for, but this is a very important, uh, very important. But this is the very important of my partition C, not lock partition C. Lock this data partitions here, not lock operating system data. And second note is very important. You lock your encryption data. So first you have some you know I'm not lock on Windows 10 my computer, because I'm just because my computer data is very lot of, but I'm just showing this process Windows 7, same process of my computer. So my second PC showing here, and you can see my BitLocker drive encryption, same process, all of implement Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. And I'm not lock. You can see my partition C is, and the second is my partition data. So you are create a new partition and lock that time your your encryption system. So name change DFG means new name give partition. Okay, and you can turn on directly BitLocker drive, but you first empty your partition, because your partition have lot of data, so take more time. Okay, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. So you can see just click on BitLocker, turn on BitLocker options and turn on systems here. So first you can see just this type showing a windows here, and this window showing with your password security. So this is three type of systems. So first you can see use password unlock drive, and second you start car smart card, and third is automatically unlock. on this computer. But this only I like only one partition of lock password through. So your friend directly coming and open your your system, so your direct partition not looking the same. So you first enter capital letter, small letter, number and symbol. That means this type example complete partition of password. This is a complex password here. So while locking partition, because your friend, your system, you can see. So this is a weird type of password here. Not name enter, not name enter password, name, your birth date, anything. Some mean any main, your friend, anything. Your unlock partition passwords will be contain uppercase and lowercase letter, number, pieces, and that means complex password is a strong password. And why BitLocker drive using? Because your friend open your computer, laptop, and going your partition in, maybe sometime your data delete, and sometime your partition by mistake your problem. So that is a very important data loss your computer. So this is your computer very private data, very important data. So BitLocker drive help your partition, or and you can lock your partition with your data. So I'm just showing Windows 7 only. Why not showing Windows 10? Because my partition have lot of data in store my partition. So that time I start BitLocker drive encryption password system. So that means take more time, 3 hour, 5 hour. So I'm just showing only this Windows 7 and create new partitions here. That means take no more time, 3 minutes, 2 minutes in complete my partition or start lock here. So same process here. Okay, complete, not anything change here. So enter your password and remember this password. Okay, and this is very important for your computer partitions here. So tap your password and retype same password here. Okay, so again type my password same, exit it, not changing anything. And this is a password completely I'm fill here this text box here. You can see same, enter both side password first and second. Okay, so this is a very important for your computer and your drive. But you have smart card unlock drive, so this is a new technology of smart card to unlock your computer. This type smart card here. But smart card you have not directly, you have no every time a smart card, maybe your sometime your smart card damage, sometime you lose your smart card, your by mistake your sometime you have no smart card. So that is a main problem. So this is a very easy using a password system only, not some company using a smart card systems here. But I like only password type systems here. So you can not directly start a 3 type same as it is systems here. So click any one using a system method of password system. So you will need insert your smart card and the smart card pin. So first you want a smart card reader device, and second is you need a smart card, and install your smart card reader and start your smart card, and that is your enter your smart card pin. But you I'm already talk about sometime your smart card damage, your smart card lose, your forget your smart card pin. So that is a very important, and partitions you cannot allow this BitLocker drive not allow without smart card. So this is a very good only password method only. And third is automatically unlock this drive on this computer. That means you automatically unlock drive and not need password, not need smart card. So see, this security not directly your powerful not security using system here. So automatically unlock means your anytime you unlock your friend, your home family member. So I don't like these. I like only this password system here. So you can implement, and but you can directly not directly three not using same as it same time here. Only one choose these options here. So first you can see just my computer. I'm just showing you only example, not showing you. Okay, uh, this is a give me error. Error means one type of wrong you anything working here. So a smart card not detect, insert your smart card and try later. So you can see second new error. Operating system drive must be protected by BitLocker automatically unlock fix drive data drive. So these are not like only I like only these options here, because I have no smart card, I have no you automatically I don't like automatically unlock these drive because I have no security. I click next here, and this new windows showing me save a recovery key USB flash drive, save your recovery to file, recovery print your file. So this is a sometime password you forget, your smart card, lose your smart card, you lose your password, you have no remember password. So you can save, you maybe this first option very good for you. You can attach your USB flash drive and save your recovery key. So I'm now this time save my key in my USB drive. So I'm insert my USB drive in my computer, and second and third is not directly system here. Okay, so you can see just here. So this is my partition not showing here, I'm just showing data, I'm write data for you. So I'm give new name here, my folder, my data one, and nothing in nothing encryption now this time, because encryption is one type of one number symbol, not any hacker your break your data, nothing a hacker any system. So hacker need first these your recovery key or your password. So your I'm just copy this data and store again. So I'm just showing you this my data. Okay, one type of partitions here. Same same BitLocker drive lock process, same Windows 10 here, and you can see save recovery key to USB flash drive means my this one type of key of my file. And you can print your recovery key, you can print your recovery key. How can we print so you want a printer. Okay, so recovery one type of file of your recovery password very a long type of so I will show you number. So long type uh, long not short type of. So save recovery key or to file. So you save a recovery file as a file type, so you can select it. But I have a USB flash drive, and I will save these USB flash drive. So I think this is my very important for, but you maybe USB flash drive lose, so that is a very big mistake here. So you can use save recovery key USB flash drive. You want attach first USB flash drive, but I'm first showing a file saving here. And you can this file is very important. So temporarily I'm just store these files here, and I can save these other. So your friend maybe this open file, so that means your location in first you select your location in drive. So this showing me the we strongly recommended to you save your recovery key in safe location separate from this computer. So you can very important your recovery has been saved, and this file is completely saved. You can print here. So I'm using a third options here showing you. So you can print your Microsoft printer. You attach connect your printer. So how can we connect it printer? How can we printer setting here? Watch my previous video computer management, and you can see this my printer document save here in PDF file systems here, and give name here. This is a very important, and any man woman hacker, maybe hacker, and this showing recovery key, that means open directly your partitions here. So you can see I think next I'm going, and you will able unlock drive D's using password here. This me showing me information say, and are you ready to encrypt this drive? So this is very important for your computer systems and your partitions. So you will be able to unlock this drive using a password. Encrypt might take a while depending on the size of the drive. I'm already talk about it depend on your data size and take time for BitLocker drive encryption software. So this is you have a drive in 55 GB take time 1 hour 3 hour. So first you start this BitLocker drive. So I give advise empty partition start in BitLocker drive encryption, and you want to copy file cut paste file after unlock partition. So you can see just here my partition start and start encryption, click on here. So first I'm just showing here start encryption, click on here, and this is starting here encryption of my computer. So why this you can see here why encryption is fast here, because my partition in not more size data here drive E, so 70% 80% and completed here. So automatically encryption and encrypting complete after encrypting this type showing logo here on my partition, and not directly open any man, any woman, any I want fast password, and after I can using these partitions here. So you can see here encrypting is starting here. So any hacker, any cracker coming my computer and try to opening here, so that means not directly open here without a password here. So I'm just suggest you encrypting password password recovery key file, very important for you. And second is your partition empty time using this software. So this is fast working here. Okay, so depend on your data, and your partition data 55 GB and 80 GB 81 GB. So this reason I'm not showing in Windows 10 this type of technology showing, but I'm just showing in Windows 7. Same process, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and Windows Server, not directly showing this type partition technology, because you want add first and my complete encryption, complete my BitLocker drive and lock my drive. You can see just here on showing here this type logo here. Okay, that means this on here. Okay, and you want off these features, so you can click on BitLocker drive and click on turn off BitLocker. That means you remove your partition of your your not need password. Same your your computer systems in your upon your partition. So you turn off, that means your same exit is original size here. So I want you can see just my Windows 10 and turn on BitLocker directly. So I'm not using because I have already but not lock operating system main partitions here. You can see my lot of partition data here, and this reason you can turn on BitLocker, right click here, and I'm not this encryption because lot of data in store in my partitions here, but I'm just showing in the Windows 7. Okay, so this is a very important, and BitLocker drive encryption, click on here, and you can start your computer, and you can see just here same time is a logo, this type logo here. So you completely success your BitLocker drive encryption complete. So showing this type logo lock here, and directly not showing appear this type of pre information and this type GB, not directly open this type. First ask password and after logging. So first this is already unlocked partition, and you can see just this tab showing unlock here, and my partition is turn BitLocker on. So this is a BitLocker technology, and hard disk depend only. So this working only hard disk partitions only. So you are turned off, so that means your same system is remove password from the change password, unlock drive, add smart card, unlock drive. Remove password means you remove your password here. Change password means change password. Add password, your add smart card. I'm going to talk about what is the add smart card. So you have smart card, so you can get save or print recovery key again. So this is a very important, and computer, you can see here my chain logo here, this my partitions here, and open. I'm first open here. Okay, this I'm showing here completely my data. So I'm restart my computer. Okay, and again I will show you. So restart my computer, and again I'm just start my Windows 7 systems here. You can see just here. So Windows 7 starting here, and Windows 7 starting after my load of my computer programming and software, and all of my settings data, and this time not directly open my partitions without password. So this is my start my Windows operating systems, and this is my partition recovery key. You can see just my lock partitions here, this type logo showing here, and I cannot directly open, nothing showing me how many free page, how many complete page here. So this is a logo showing, that means my partition lock, and not any my friend, my family member, any man open partition. So first need password, and this is a very important. So you can see just type this type showing here. So I'm trying to my same password enter and unlock here, same my data showing me here. So you can see just here, and just I'm just showing here, enter my password here. So this is a very important. Okay, I'm try to password incorrect, and I'm complete this time, enter other wrong time password here. So you can see enter my password here. So unlock, not I'm unlocked because I'm enter wrong password, always showing here, and you can see here unlock password not, because this is a wrong password I'm enter here. Okay, so this is a very important for your systems, and I'm now this time completely enter correct password. So I'm just checking here, this allow me, so unlock. Okay, so this unlock my, okay, this my unlock partition, you can see just here, and showing me data, and completely same here. So I'm just check here, and directly open from here and from here. So this is my partition, and this type logo change here. You can see this logo, that means unlock my partitions. So you lock your partitions, you can see just my same data, not affect anything, not changing anything, same partition, same data my here. Okay, so this is a very important technology for security your data, and you cannot access directly without your password, your smart card using your, but not lock your main computer partition operating systems. Okay, so this is the simple data partition. How can we create a partition? I will already I will discuss in the system. Watch my next video, color management. What is a color management? And thanks for watching my video.